Well, look, it's that time.
Oh, did you see all your packages, Diana?
How they treating you over there, boss?
Yeah, I think there's like 3 envelopes in a box.
Hey, just gonna tell you how much hello. And if you can, keep this crew out of trouble. All right, Chief. Okay. See you later. Cruz.
We're leaving. Lieutenant, don't argue with me. I asked you a direct question last shift and you lied to my face. You tried to do it again back at the scene. I've only got a 4-man team, Cruz. Everybody's got to be on their game. You aren't. I just wanted to ask you a quick question. I know that we came out with, trick everyone. I mean, obviously, but what was it like transitioning to squad? I know it's more training, higher expectations, all that. So I guess I'm asking, how did you know you were off the change? Are you trying to be funny? No, someone said I should think about going for squad, so I wanted to pick your brain. That's great. Now, do me a favor, Callie. Wait till my body's cold.
Really? Not a single of this left. The thing is, Charlotte, Chief Hawkins specifically told me to get this meeting with him on the books, so... Yes, and he said that it was urgent and that you could make it happen. He speaks highly of you, by the way. Thursday works, yes. Thank you. Chief Hawkins. The guy who almost suspended. Yeah. Well, just out of curiosity, is this the first time that you've ever lied because you were seriously sweating to go? Maybe. You told me you'd be out here to help me 20 minutes ago.
What were you sweating?
Well, I had to fudge my way into an appointment with the chief to present my paramedicine idea. No, I really gotta nail it.
You were practice on these?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Give us the pitch. I'm gonna look at my records.
Come on, girl.
I'm gonna say the sessional was better than the idea.
The sample was damn good.
Oh, spotlight.
Well, tinkering with the idea.
We should call it blue time or something. Make it sound dramatic.
We have started our very own backup brewery. And you didn't consult me. The guy with the best fire in Chicago, the Kingmaker, huh? You'll sell our beer? I will taste your beer. If I'm impressed, we can talk about a mutually beneficial arrangement.
It's really cool being back here in Dad's firehouse. Hearing all those stories about him.
There's a million more where they came from. Your dad was something else.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'll buy you breakfast.
Part of the reason I came to Chicago. There's one more story I want to hear. I was hoping you could tell me how it happened. How my dad died. The thing is, I was only 6 when it happened. Nobody told me anything. Just that he was a hero.
He was, yeah.
I know. But it still feels like a mystery to me. Like a secret that's been kept from me my whole life. You know?
If you're sure you want to hear how it happened, I'll tell you. I'm sure. Okay. Let's go for a ride. So when I said I hoped we would meet again soon, your next move was to bluff your way into my office.
I'm really sorry about that. I deeply believe in this program.
I can tell. Your passion is evident. Unfortunately, now is just not the right moment.
Oh,
You're right. Shortening response times is a priority. I'm still getting my footing here. And we're fighting with the city over money for basic operations.
but yeah, but this program would cut costs.
Bring it to me again next year. The landscape might be different.
But Chicago needs this now.
That's what's up. I'm sorry.
Thanks for your time.
Nice balance between the caramel sweetness and the bitterness in the house. Body is full, texture is smooth.
Yeah.
You have a fine stylus.
We have a session now too.
And we're still tweaking an IPA. Now, how's your scalability? We're brewing in my kitchen. If you're gonna enter the big leagues, you're gonna have to be able to satisfy demand.
That's what happens here.
This is John. He took Barrelong IPA from his two-car garage to taps all over the Midwest.
Oh, I love Barrelong.
He owes me. I will arrange a meeting. Yeah.
This is it. Fire started in the basement. That water heater, apparently. Was cooking when we rolled up. There's a woman out here worrying about his brother. Said he lived in the attic. He hadn't come down yet. That's all your dad needed to hear. He just first up the aerial ladder while the squad went in through the back. There was a misunderstanding. Squad ran into a primary search. No opening event. I didn't know that until I sent Andy through that window. Fire moves fast. It's a constant hunt for oxygen. So with that rear door open, fire raced up the stairs.
Kind of like the very first episode. Just give me medicine.
Go over very fast.
Stop.
What's the brother? You make it?
What? What's wrong?
That is exactly what your dad would have wanted to know. Your brother wasn't home after all. And that's what makes your dad such a hero. He didn't need to know there was someone in trouble. He only needed to know there was a chance there was. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I miss it every day. Me too.
Now my hand just moved here and I started singing.
I was like,
What did I look at? I'm like, can you look behind you?
the other way.
No.
Hi, little girl, let me out.
There's candy in my bag. I'm used to it. That's what my sister looks like.
It's do it. What's next? Just wanted me to talk with me. Yeah. You're brewing beer.
Money.
We are opening our own microbrewery.
Okay.
Mr. DeWitt, we were hoping you.
Well, that went great. Mr. DeWitt was impressed. He asked if you would like some brewery space to expand your capacity.
He said that? Just now?
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? How did you become?
His dad's a billionaire.
That explains it.
You getting stood up. You think I bring my dates to Molly?
Where else you gonna take them? No other bar's gonna let you run up the tab.
I'm supposed to meet Chris here. You didn't see me, right?
No? We're pressing business. You get recruits.
I told him I wanted to buy him a beer. Really stepped in it earlier.
Yeah, how so?
I started hitting him with questions about going out for rescue squad 2 minutes after Severide sent home.
That was stupid. Well, I didn't know. Squad, huh? What?
No goodies?
You don't think I can cut it?
No, maybe. We sure got the ego for it. Listen, if you're serious about it, Cruz is the guy to talk to. It's just, sounds like he's working through some stuff right now.
Yeah.
Now is not the right moment? Next year the landscape might be different. Are those sentences a normal person would say?
He's making a mistake. It's a great idea.
I know it is. Maybe there's some way I can do this privately. I'm gonna look into that.
Good.
That's not where I was standing. I know it wasn't. You're up here. See? This is exactly where you were standing.
He was a little fun back.
We did the video place? Wow.
Griffin's a great kid.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, next. You ready, Sylvie?
Oh, way ready. You don't scare me.
Go ahead. Go back. Hey, it's all yours. Bring it. Let's do it.
I know, man.
Good game, babe.
You get too much jerseys.
Hey, you checking on Cruz? Yeah.
Tight spaces seem to really be setting off his bets. That's right.
You say it's getting in trouble. Why wasn't he moved to talk? You like me to put a bit.
Maybe
I was singing along because you
I did the
guys
same thing last year. Kept my head injury a secret longer than I should. I just wanted to be on shift. Ignore the rest of it. That didn't work. But you got by. And Sylvie. She was with me every step of the way. Only reason I stayed sane.
Ethan, you guys are adopted a cow.
Yeah, and I want to kill it.
A cow? We could eat steak.
He's already talking
Yeah.
to his CFD counselor. Are you sure of that? Good.
Yeah,
Yours,
like,
Lieutenant.
Yeah, I think they sent us pictures.
Hamburger.
I sent us
Wasn't the
pictures
injury
of
that
the farm.
always go? Trying to get it off.
Where they had a little flower in the bed.
I know we saw it. I'm gonna look at. I got a ring. Pow!
Run, people, run.
Oh, hey. Gotta go. He passed.